What are split limits? If you have ever wondered how car insurance works, you are not alone. One important concept to understand is split limits in auto insurance liability coverage. So, what exactly are split limits? Split limits refer to a specific way of structuring liability cover in your car insurance policy. Instead of having one total limit for all claims, split limits break it down into 3 separate components. Let's take a closer look at how this works. A common example of a split limit policy might be written as $50,000, $100,000, and $50,000. Each of these numbers represents a different aspect of liability coverage. The first number, $50,000, is the maximum amount your insurance company will pay for bodily injury per person in an accident. The second number, $100,000, is the total amount your insurance will cover for all bodily injuries resulting from a single accident. This means if multiple people are injured, the total payout cannot exceed $100,000. Finally, the third number, $50,000, is the maximum amount for property damage per accident. This covers damage to someone else's property, like their car or a fence. Understanding these limits is essential for managing your risk. If you cause an accident, these limits determine how much your insurance will pay for medical expenses and property damage. It is important to choose limits that reflected your needs and financial situation. Split limits are popular because they allow drivers to balance their coverage needs with the cost of their premiums. By having separate limits, you can ensure you have enough coverage for different scenarios without overpaying for insurance. Now, how do split limits compare to another option called combined single limit? A combined single limit policy provides one total payout amount that can be used for any combination of bodily injury and property damage claims. For example, if you have a combined single limit of $300,000, you can use that amount for either bodily injury or property damage, or a mix of both. In summary, split limits give you a clear breakdown of your liability coverage, helping you understand how much protection you have in different situations. Knowing how these limits work can help you make informed decisions about your car insurance policy.